Nellie here. Sweet little girl. First time she's having a raw eye. She really, really likes it.
Raw.
Yeah. And definitely no aggression, people with putting hands when she's eating. Wesley, you want to try the treat aggression for mommy?
Of course.
Now put your hands. I can tell. She's really gentle, really sweet, and really good with children. Isn't she pretty, beautiful girl? You want this too? She has too many toys. Too many things. Doesn't know which one to do. Oh. Now chin chin, baby. Wesley? Chin chin. Nellie? Matty, come. What do you want, Matty? Oopsie. What's here? Maddie, go. Maddie? Maddie, and this? Maddie, come. Maddie. Maddie, come. Very gentle girl. Very sweet Nellie, huh? Very gentle. Very sweet. A very sweet girl. A very sweet. Belly rubbing. Maddie, come.